Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin. Today we're going to be cooking on my Lonestar Grillz Pellet Grill. And you know, if you haven't learned how to cook a turkey yet, how to smoke a turkey yet, yeah, another turkey video. But like the thumbnail and the title, I got to break tradition. I got to do things different. It's just what I do on my channel. I do things different. If you want to make something different and freak out some of your family members, you got to make this frog turkey. Smoked frog turkey. Frog style in the way that it's cut. I've done the chicken. I've done the Cornish game hens this way. And a subscriber asked me to do a turkey this way. I wasn't going to do a turkey video. There's a million of them out there. But hey, it's different. It breaks tradition. And today I'm actually going to use some red chili sauce as my binder. And I'm not making it. I'm using some Santa Fe Olay. And I know a lot of people, oh, prepackaged, blah, blah, blah. Well, this is supporting a local New Mexico Santa Fe company. So, a lot of the stores here, like for salsas and everything, are actually, and here comes the rain, is actually salsas from restaurants in Albuquerque. Some of the bigger named restaurants down there. So everything we buy here is usually New Mexico local as far as that goes. So let's get inside. I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare the turkey. We'll get it out here on the Lonestar Grillz. I'm going to be smoking it at 325. It should take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. It's only a small 11.5 pound bird. So let's show you how I actually did it. Santa Fe Olay, red chili. I mean, I could make it myself, but why? Let's get this started. All right. Here's my 11.5 pound turkey right here. And we're not gonna spatchcock it. We're gonna frog cut it. You know, a lot of people don't like the look of the frog cut, but it's not a lot different from spatchcocking. It's gonna cook very similar. It's gonna cook faster. It just looks different. All right, so let's get this thing cut. Show you how I do this. I think I'm gonna have to turn it this way. And yeah, we'll get this thing frog. Okay, so I'm bringing it down here. So what you want to do is cut. Well, this has the skin wrapped around the legs, so we'll just take that out. And you want to just cut down this skin right here at the legs and get it right in here between the thigh and the breast. You just want to cut it right through there, just like that. Do both sides. Okay. You want to cut that skin right there. Okay. And then again, same thing, right through here, right underneath the breast and thigh. Okay, just like that. Once you get it cut down like that, cut that skin, then you just want to flip it over and push down. Hit it crack. Okay? And there you go. Let me back you up a little bit. And there. That's the frog style. Kind of looks like a big bullfrog. Okay, so I am going to cut off the wingtips. Just break them and cut them off. Turn it, make it easier. Okay, there you go. Now we just need to season it up. All right, cut the little butt off, little tail, and then you can cut some of this excess skin off too. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna get some red chili sauce on there. Dry it off. I'm gonna do the underside first, which the top's gonna get wet because this is had them dry right out of the jar. Okay, just rub it in. Okay, for seasoning today, salad Root Boy cooks. I actually still had a Root Boy rub #1. This is his steak seasoning, but it has the black pepper, salt, kosher salt, onion, garlic, thyme, rosemary, and chives in here, so this is going to be really good on this turkey. I actually didn't even know I still had this. It was packed away from when I moved a year ago, so it was a lucky find and works perfect for this turkey. And I'm going to get this turned over and do the top. Okay. Okay. And season. Thank you, Sal. All right, I'm going to let this sit here. I'm going to go start up the Lonestar Pellet Grill. When that's heated up, we'll get this on. Before we get this out on the smoker, I'm going to use the MeatStick X. I'm going to throw one in the breast. And I'm going to use a Chef X, and I'm going to throw it down here in the thigh. That way, let's put it in this one over here. That way we'll know what it's doing in the thigh and in the breast. Okay, we're going to take this out here in a minute. So my Lonestar Grillz is heated up. There's my frog turkey. It's too big for my little baking tray, but I'm going to set it in there anyway. And, you know, I wasn't even going to do a turkey this year. I'm heading out of town. I got the request for the frog turkey. Crazy looking. It cooks like a spatchcock though. You know, you have your dark meat back here, your white meat up here. It's going to be delicious. You know, hey, family finds out I'm doing a turkey, so they shut up. We're going to have turkey together. I thought I was going to have leftover and do some leftover videos, but that's probably not going to happen. Anyway, let's get this in the Lonestar Grill and let this thing get going. I was going to put it on the top shelf, but I didn't think it would fit, so got it on my baking sheet, and it is upside down. The feet are up, and the reason for that is, you know, you can slide it around. It makes it easier to move. Actually, I'm going to actually put the dark meat in the back to start, because my fire pot is over on this side. So we're going to do it like this for, we'll check it. I'll probably add some more red enchilada sauce to it. This is not going to be a crispy skin turkey. It's going to be flavorful, and yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, sometimes you have to still smoke a turkey. Right, even in the rain. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. The breast is like, what, 37? The legs are at about 140, and I am going to go ahead and baste this with some more red chili sauce. Oh man, too, that skin is crispy. Didn't think it would with the sauce on it, but probably won't now, huh? It's getting there. I'll be back. All right, my meat sticks are saying the breast is 165, the legs, the thigh is 173. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me get this off of here. Oh my goodness. Skin's pretty tight. Look at that. Threw some green beans on over here. We're gonna have some smoked green beans. Look at that. What can I say, right? Frog turkey with some red chili sauce on there. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll cut it open. Here we go. Been resting for about 15 minutes. Get my meat sticks out of there. Maybe. Come on out. All right, so once again, see? Unlike the spatchcock, this you have the dark meat in the back, the white meat in the front. Let's see. Let's cut the breast meat out. Look at that. See how juicy that is? Okay, oh, that's the best part right there. skin is actually a little crispy. Look at that. Nice and steamy, juicy. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Perfect. All right, let's see. Cut this leg off here. Somebody wants a leg. Oh, the bone's in there somewhere. Look at that. All right, let me cut a piece of this thigh off. Oh my. Oh. All right, I got to take a taste of this. Close this up. All right. Wow. Such a good cut. The frog turkey, alien turkey. My chicken was called an alien chicken. This is an alien turkey. Cut frog style, bullfrog style, whatever you want to say. We did it on the Lonestar Grillz at 325. Took just over 2.5 hours. And, okay, everybody's inside waiting to eat. I brought a couple of pieces out here. We did the red chili sauce as a binder. We put it on halfway through. I can't wait. There is the dark meat. Look at that. Oh my God. The white meat, super tender, super juicy. Skin. Oh my God. I got to tell you, I put that root boy number 1 seasoning on it. Sal, that stuff is awesome. You need to make it some more. You need to send me some more. Okay? Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. There you go. Great tradition. Show your family. The ones that want dark meat can have their half of the turkey. The one that wants white can have their half. Frog cut it. So good. Cooks quick. So flavorful. Man. All right. Thank you so much for watching yet another turkey video. But I got to tell you, some people don't like the looks of the frog cut. It cooks out fantastic. Fantastic. The MeatStick 4X and the MeatStick Chef X. Chef X in the thigh, MeatStick X 4X in the breast. Told me exactly when this was ready. So good. I'll put some links below for that. If you don't have wireless thermometers, definitely give them a look. Spend the extra money. Just makes cooking so much easier. And this turned out fantastic. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm going out of town. I'm going to spend Thanksgiving with my kids, my friends, some family. I hope you all do too. I hope it's all great. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.